Okay, so we're gonna do another quick test here. Figured I might want to load it down a little bit harder. I'm limited to what I have right here, right now. Before I used the 101 ZD, now I'm gonna use a FL2100B with a really weak set of tubes. So, got the fluke high voltage probe measuring the B positive with the current meter on the primary, and then the fluke across my primary, reading the voltage here I have. So this is going into a dummy load, 20 kilowatt commercial dummy load, just for educational purposes, I guess. You never want to run this. This is a ham amp owned by Ham Radio Operator. You know, legal limit's 1500 watts on most bands. So we're going to bring it up to about 3500 or so with a 5 kilowatt slug. So there we go. Keep the box. I have to keep the driver. Box. Alright, so it's right at about 3500. Just to carry her. Dropping a 3.35. Drawing 25 amps. Line voltage drops to 241. 3500. And key the radio. 3.6. It's dropping a few hundred volts. And my line voltage also drops 2 volts. I'll show that again. Okay, box. Dude, unkeyed. Key, unkey. Key, unkey. Key, unkey. So that's about it. Just want to give you an idea of what to expect from a Peter dahl. So I believe it's a CCS. I haven't been able to get to the sticker. Pretty sure it says 2. I know it's 2500 volt AC. I'm pretty sure it's CCS. Might be a ICIS. But so it'd make it 5 kVA. So thanks for watching. Remember, extremely dangerous. Don't attempt this if you don't know what you're doing. This will kill you. This is super dangerous. Just don't do it. Let someone who knows what he's doing handle it. So thanks for watching. Have a blessed night.